Oliver, New York is marketed as a premium fashion retailer offering stylish clothing, luxury-inspired designs, and massive discounts. But a real question is this another shady fashion store or are concerns being overblown? Now, to be fair, not every online clothing store with aggressive marketing is a scam. Some customers report receiving their orders and being reasonably satisfied with the products. What it does well. The website looks professional. At first glance, the store appears similar to many modern fashion retailers. The clothing designs are appealing. Many of the products feature trendy and fashionable styles, where the red flags start appearing. The return process raises concerns. This is the biggest issue. Multiple reviewers report being offered partial refunds instead of straightforward returns and being asked to ship products back to China at their own expense. Product quality complaints appear repeatedly. Several customers claim the materials and construction did not match the website photos or descriptions. The company branding may create confusion. The New York branding can give shoppers the impression of a local fashion business, while some reviewers report international fulfillment and overseas return addresses. So, is Oliver, New York another shady fashion store? Short answer, not necessarily, but there are enough warning signs that shoppers should proceed carefully before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.